Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimathy TV. In this video, I've got a pretty cool one for you guys. I'm actually going to be reviewing one of these chargers. We are going to start out with the 2-in-1. We're going to work our way up to the 3-in-1 in the next video, so be sure to be on the lookout for that. It will be coming out very shortly. But let's start with this 2-in-1 portable wireless charger here and see what it does. Now this box already looks pretty premium here. You can see 2-in-1 wireless charger in white. Here's what it kind of looks like. You got the Apple Watch charger, the iPhone charger, and on the back you can see it is certified with transparency, so that is cool. Here's what is included. So it looks like it comes with the adapter and the cable, and then this is how you kind of set it up on your desk. Very interesting. Made in China, designed by American. So yeah, it does come with the adapter, the charger, the manual, and the cable. So that's perfect. Let's go ahead, crack this open, and see what it looks like, because I am pretty excited to try this out. Rip it open here. All right, guys, here we go. Let's pop the top here. And here we go. Warning, not compatible with Samsung branded devices. Please apply for return before use. So don't buy this for Android boys. This is for iPhone users only. 2-in-1 wireless charger. You can see that's kind of how it looks when it's folded up. Can be used kind of as a stand. That is pretty cool. Quick look at the instructions in case you're wondering. Here are the compatible models. If you want to pause that, take a look, see if yours is compatible. How to use, tips. And yeah, looks pretty easy. Let's go ahead and give it a shot. So let's go through what we've got. We've got the cable here. Let's pull this out. This is a USB-A to USB-C cable with little purple insets. That's kind of cool. We've got a, let's see, quick charge 3.0 adapter right here. Very nice. There are the specs of it. It's 18 watts, just as it noted on the instructions there. Here is the charger itself. Looking good. Don't know what these little specs are on it, but we will see. So it's got a couple markings on it, but not a big deal. This is like a soft matte finish on it. It's very nice, actually. This is a rubber in the center so that you can easily fold it up for travel, which I really like. And then it looks like this is the stand. Yes, it is. So that kind of kicks out. We'll try all that out here in a second. Is there anything else in this box? Nope, there is not. We can set that off to the side. All right, so first things first, let's go ahead and power it up and see what it looks like. So we'll plug this in here. I'm plugging it in off camera here because that's where my adapter is. And let's go ahead. So this is USB-C. Plug it in. We've got two white lights there. This says warning, not compatible with Samsung brand devices. Please apply for a refund before use. So we'll peel that off here. Perfect. All right, and here we go, guys. So this would actually be kind of behind it if this was on your desk. You pop this up for your Apple Watch, and then this is for the iPhone. So let's grab the iPhone right now, and let's go ahead and just set it on there. See, okay, so this is MagSafe compatible. It even has the animation, so that's perfect. So that should be giving it a nice solid charge there. I'm trying to get this cable out of the way, but it is what it is. So that is charging up, and I really like to see that, the fact that it is MagSafe compatible. So it's gonna stay in place. It's not gonna wiggle around. That's perfect. Now let's take the Apple Watch here. I'm actually gonna angle this down so you guys can see it. And there it goes, charging up. Perfect. So I'm gonna push this up as if it were, really being used. I don't know if you can see it, but it is charging right now. Both blue lights are on. This is an absolute win right here. This is perfect for travel. If you don't have AirPods, this is the setup. So you got your phone, your watch, charge them up overnight, and you have no worries in the morning. In the next video, we're gonna review this one. This one's got the phone, the watch, and the AirPod chargers. So we're gonna try those out next. So check out that video. If you have AirPods, you might want that one when you're traveling. If you don't, this is the perfect setup, and it's a little smaller too, which is nice. So I'm gonna take this off here. Try to use this as just a stand-up charger like it was showing in the picture. So we're gonna pop this here. Okay, so this is actually magnetic right here. That is so cool. I haven't seen another charger that does this. So basically when you pull this out and you're trying to fold it, this little inset right here has a magnet. So this holds it together, and then you can just set your phone on this and use it as a landscape stand or portrait mode if you want. So that is really cool. This is probably one of my favorite travel chargers that I've seen so far. It's got a lot of versatility here. Now I wanna see, just for fun, if these will actually charge up here. So I'm just gonna set it there, and it looks like these are actually charging up. There's a green light. They're already 100% full, but this lit up as well. So I think this can also charge your AirPods. So if your phone was done charging and you didn't have the 3-in-1, this might actually work for that. Let's try it one more time. Yeah, it charges right up. So that is really cool, guys. definitely check this out. This is the UCOMX 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger, and it's super portable. As you guys saw, it just folds up like this. It comes with the adapter and the cable. It comes with everything you need. The price is right on the money. This is a perfect buy for someone that travels a lot. Check this one out, and also check out our next video with a 3-in-1. That's all I got for this one. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.